If you know, you know. Pero kung hindi pa, share ko na din. Nako, never not craving Mr. Kebab talaga. And alam nyo, kahit meron ng mga branch na malapit sa amin, mas gusto ko pa rin talagang dinadayo tong OG na West Ave branch. Kasi ang laki ng place, maaliwalas, open space kaya hindi mainit, and most importantly, malaki yung parking and free pa. So, very good talaga dito. Also, di ko sure kung ako lang, pero even yung serving and mismong lasa ng food, parang mas masarap pa din dito. Or maybe it's just the vibe. Anyway, ito yung mga in-order namin. Beef special cello kebab na mix ng ground beef and tenderloin kebab. And my ultimate favorite, as in lagi ko tong order, keema with eggplant with a side of pita bread. Ang sulit na niyan for 35 pesos. It's super soft and light, tapos slightly chewy. Wala naman siya masyadong lasa, pero super bagay with keema or kahit na anong meat. Kung di nyo pa natatry yung keema with eggplant, why? Kung di kayo kumakain ng eggplant, meron din keema lang without eggplant. Pwede din yun. Basically, ground beef lang naman siya with lots of spices. Hearty, flavorful dish na may pagka-smoky, aromatic. Basta ang sarap lang with their garlic sauce and hot sauce, tapos paired with pita bread. Gusto ko rin yung may pa-veggies on the side for added crunch and freshness. Yung beef cello kebab naman, sarap pa din. Usually, mas prefer ko yung ground beef kebab more than the tenderloin kasi parang mas malasa siya for me. Yung tenderloin naman, tender naman talaga in fairness. Pareho namang beefy and smoky and lasang-lasa yung spices, especially sa ground beef kebab. Please, wag niyo rin pala kalimutan mag-order ng yogurt shake ha. Sarap yan, promise. Super refreshing.